Hello everyone, this is Patty's Happy World again. We are getting ready to do another Sister Bride, and just to see what we've done so you know what the bridal party looks like. The matron of honor, grandmother, junior bride, and another sister bride, older sister. Okay, so we're getting ready to start the next bridesmaid, sister bridesmaid. And we're going to get ready to do the mother of the bride and then the bride. All right, so without further ado, let's get started. And I'm just going to zoom in just a little bit. All right, hold on just a second while I want to make sure it's clear. All right, so let's see. I think that's okay right there. All right. Was asked to do black hair. So we're going to try and do black hair. Color chart. We want to do grays for the highlight, and then work our way to black. So I think we're going to do 070. Let's see if I can find 070. 070. And then we'll go to 060. I think that may be just a quick too dark, but that's okay. And then we're going to go to, I think, 150. Okay, so let me get those markers out. 150. And here we go here. Now this is a more shiny. We'll go ahead and test. I may have to see what that is. Oops, sorry. Let me check my chart again. 150. And then I'm going to pull out 29. So we may have to do 4 colors. Okay. I'm just looking for 29 on my tray. There it is. Okay, so I see it. All right, so without further ado, we are going to start with our lightest color. And plug in my pencil sharpener. All right, and here we go. So we're just going to dust the highlighted areas. We're gonna keep them shiny. We're gonna keep but just we want to just soften the yeah, I'm going to need we're probably going to end up using 4 to 5 pencils. So this is just a dust. the highlighted areas so it doesn't look too stark. I'm going to turn so I can get my hand out of the way. So this is just a dusting. Come up here. Make sure you're, oh yes, where you are in the window. These hairstyles are Mariola Budex. I bought these pages. I didn't get the coloring book because at the time I was printing these pages, I didn't know where to get these. So I went to Estes. Well, I found out about Estes and purchased the pages. All right. Turn you around so you look. Now that may not look like anything to you guys, but I can see the difference already. So we're going to get our 060 Brute Funner pencil. Give her a sharpen up. I'll show you the box once again. My cat has been eating my box. So that's the oil pencils. And then it came in with a nice case so I can put all my trays back in and travel with them. He's been eating my, there we go, got it there. All right, second phase, and that is to just touch the highlighted areas so we can create some transition. So it doesn't look too forced. Because we don't want to have our darker shade right up to our highlights, because we don't want to do that. Those super bright highlighted areas, I'm not going to get into those, because we do want some of that. Let's turn her around so I can get over here. This is with a light. I don't know if you heard that, but that was my kitty, Lucy Avocado. We got her when she was just a little kitten. And come on. Now the black is going to take some time if it's going to work, just like the deep brunettes. the hairstyles are just, they're just simply gorgeous. Okay. All right, how does that look to you? All right. All right, so we're capturing the gray tones in the black. And we'll be going back to these same very pencils again as we build, as we build. But we're going to make her black hair. Okay. All right, let's check this pencil out. I am, it's got a little hue in it, a little shimmer. Just gonna see what it does. Okay, no. See, I don't like this. It's more of a blue. So we're gonna put this one back and get our chart out. 59. So 059. So she was up here, 159, 148. So we're gonna go, we're gonna work with the 029. I may have to go 066. So let's go 066 and then 29. Okay? Uh, 029 and 066. Okay. So let me get those. Let's sharpen her up. And you know what? I think I'm going to start 066 before I really go into the crevices. So let's sharpen 066. Let's just hit the sharpener one good time. All right, there, that's good. All right, so I'm going to continue to so that you can begin to see although I'm hitting some of the crevices, I haven't really worked the crevices as of yet because I want to use that for the darker pencil. All right, so I don't think I've even been down here. Maybe. So this is my first attempt to color black hair. So let's see how it goes. And we're going to go slow so that we don't move this around. Okay, we're in good view. Turn around. Swing around. Swing around. Okay, so far so good. Okay. She still looks, but she's coming along just fine. So I'm going to go slow. And to continue to just concentrate. Okay. Just so you guys can see. So you see the transition already is starting. Don't forget to keep your curls. Okay. All right, let's take a look at that. That looks good. Okay, I'm going to see if I can zoom in, because I don't ever... yesterday the zoom was working good, so I guess the zoom is not working good today. All right, so let's zoom her out. Okay, so there you go. All right, we're going to go on to the next color in our next YouTube channel content with Patty's Hobby World. Once again, be inspired. Color, color, color. Thank you.